Welcome to Owen Allen Media. In a major legal reversal, the Court of Appeal in Trinidad and Tobago has reinstated the country's ban on same-sex sexual relations, effectively recriminalizing consensual activity between adults of the same sex. This decision comes after a years-long legal battle launched by Jason Jones, a Trinidadian LGBTQ activist based in the UK. In 2017, Jones challenged Section 13 and 16 of Trinidad and Tobago's Sexual Offence Act, which criminalize buggery and serious indecency. In 2018, High Court Judge Davendra Ramprasad ruled in Jones' favor, declaring those laws unconstitutional. But on March 25, 2025, Justice Nolan Bayrox and Charmaine Pemberton of the Court of Appeal overturned that ruling. The decision means that once again, same-sex acts are criminal under Trinidad and Tobago laws. Now, Jason Jones responded with a sharp statement saying the ruling ripped up his contract as a citizen and reduced LGBTQ plus people to lower class citizens in their own country. He added that the court put a target on the back of the community. Now, let's speak about a little bit about the implications of, people who are you can say gay people in Trinidad and Tobago, like the criminal liability, right? So same-sex people, or you can say gay people are, it's once again punishable under the law, while enforcement of these laws may be inconsistent. Their presence opens door for, harassment or blackmail or, police intimidation or even citizens discriminating against them and all of these other things, right? And the ruling sends a clear message to LGBTQ plus people that they're not afforded the same rights or protection as others are, you could say, straight people. Now, with this reversal, the LGBTQ plus rights in Trinidad and Tobago have taken a step backwards for those people. Now, Jones plans to appeal the ruling to the judicial community of the Privy Council in the UK, a court that still has jurisdiction over some Commonwealth nations. He hoped the Privy Council will overturn what he described as heinous and discriminatory laws rooted in colonial-era legislation. And I strongly believe that going to the Privy Council will definitely overturn this ruling and, bring it back to what it was initially, right? This is going to the UK, right? And the UK is a big country in the world, and I'm sure that something like this they will look at as unconstitutional, as the first verdict states. Now, taking it to the UK again, it will, in my opinion, will definitely be a win once it does reach to the UK. You would have to let me know what you would think about this situation. Do you think that it should not have been removed to a point where, same-sex marriage and same-sex stuff like that in Trinidad and Tobago is now criminalized, or should it be decriminalized? You let me know in the comment section what you think, whether you are in Trinidad and Tobago or you are in the diaspora, whether you are in America, Canada, England, wherever you are. Now, this ruling lands at a politically charged moment for Trinidad and Tobago, right? Remember, the country is already facing external pressure from the United States as Donald Trump administration recently imposed a 10% tariff on Trinidadian exports, a move that could hit the nation energy and manufacturing sectors hard, right? Now, in that same context, this court decision might not only create domestic social tension, but could also impact Trinidad and Tobago's international image, while global attitudes shift towards, this whole inclusion and human rights. And, so this decision may push the country further into the spotlight for the wrong reasons, with the crime and the violence and and a bunch of other things, right? You could say, I'm sure a lot of people or some countries would look at it this way, or some citizens will also look at it this way. Again, let me know your thoughts on the situation. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. I would love to hear, what you people think, whether you're watching on YouTube or you're watching on YouTube Shorts or even TikTok. Please leave your thoughts in the comment section. Owen Allen Media, this is where we leave it. Owen Allen Media, we keep you informed.